Dr. Annette Mugishakagira uri komishana w'ebyobwegese ashabira abashomesa mu Bushenyi kugeza aho bakareba ngo bakore imirimo yabo no mutima murungi ahubwo kuba uri gukora kubi eshaha yona ntaba hariho kubasa kumuzombegere.
Have that job, that's when you know how best your job is. And you should also know that where you work, it's you to make that place support you. If you wait to be supported, then you are going to work like a person who is in the ICU. But if you just relax like a finished thing, it will be very difficult to be picked. You must work with the board, you must work with your leaders, and you must work together, even you as a staff.
Alex Oragire umushomesa w'abashomesa wa Ruriyonza yayihanangisiriza abashomesa okureba ngo bayongera aha bitabo byabo ahabwo kuba nibwo abegi barukureberaho
kandi nabwo tukubasa kugigahara ahabwo umushara gwa government note ko kugera aha Rubaju kugira aho nka project yawe y'embuzi iyo project y'empunu ningo rutoke na nomwanya rero kugira ngo avanda borabe n'ubugana ubakundso rweto rwo bushomesa na nomwana wora ashomesa niwe yakurgamo ikindi hanga umunonga ashange ngo naniwe ine uko kurebeka jombanga
ngo okusoma nicyo kikuru kandi okusoma konka no kutunga umushahara tubikumara niwe oshemereye kurebe kinde cyo kubasa kora otungemo esente kora abe no kora hishomero boyine wakasiri ninga yombeka kazi otunge ingire wenkoko ningo tungire wempunu ningo tungire wembuzi weno otaka Yesu go mushara gonka ukateka teka ngo nubija kumara.
Nesta Byaruhanga Richard Orimeya wa Ruyonza yasimbe kitongore cy'ebyobwegese okureka amatendekero g'abashomesa omushwekeki ahabo kubagamo muri yago negahereza ebicweka bingi.
The budget we are operating is around 90% funded by the central government. We thank the government for that one. I want to thank the Ministry of Education, of which you represent, of retaining this college when they were phasing out some of the colleges.
Ebyona byaboha mukoro gwo kwiguraho icombeko eki government yombekira Bariyonza kandi eki kimazireho miliyoni 9. Abo Sky TV ya Genshonga ndi Job Kato umuri Bushenyi.